Good morning, everyone. This is Mrs. Snelling, one of the social studies teachers. The lesson for April 2nd is 5 Themes of Geography Postcard Review. Follow along as I read the text. Read the definitions on the following slides. Can you name the theme of geography? The position of a place on the Earth's surface. Answer on next slide. Location. The two types of location are absolute and relative. To describe the natural and man-made features of an area. This is place. These can be either natural or man-made features found in the environment. The way people, products, ideas, and information travel from one place to another. Movement. The two parts of movement are communication and transportation. A group of places that share common characteristics. Region. These can be either natural or cultural features. The way people adapt to and modify the environment. This is human-environment interaction, or HEI. What you're going to do next, directions. Select 2 postcards to read and analyze. Identify 3 examples of the themes of geography from each postcard. For example, if the postcard mentions traveling on a ferry, you would write, traveling on a ferry equals movement. Please type your 3 examples and the theme it represents in the speaker notes at the bottom of the screen. Right here is the speaker notes. All right, postcard 1. OMG, I'm having an amazing time in New York. I have visited beautiful lakes and gorgeous mountains. We then went to the south and rode on the subway, which cuts right under the city. We went to Ellis Island today and learned all about how New York has such a diverse population because about 25 million immigrants entered the United States from here. Wish you were here. Postcard 2. After driving all night, we have finally arrived in Atlanta. The GPS says we are at 33.7489 degrees north, 84.39 degrees west. It is hot here, so hot some people call it Hotlanta. Being from the north, I find it so interesting that almost everyone here speaks with a southern accent. It is so much different from New England. Can't wait to see you again. Postcard 3. Hello there. I am writing to you from fabulous Los Angeles, California. There are so many people here. I did some research and found out it's the 2nd most populated city in the United States. So many of these people aren't originally from California. They traveled from all over the world to come here to try to be successful in the entertainment industry. Los Angeles lies south of San Francisco. Cool, huh? I can't wait to go to the beach. Postcard 4. We are having an amazing time taking our road trip through New England. Although there are 6 different states, they are all connected by a similar historical background. Most of New England was founded by British colonists. Since it is January and really cold here, people tend to wear a lot of layers and even their roofs are slanted so the snow falls off. The region of New England is located east of New York State. While we are here, I think I'm going to go skiing. That is it. So pick 2 of the 4 postcards and write your 3 examples of any of the 5 themes right in the speaker notes. Have a great day.